it out. Trading has to be the easiest thing in the world. Like, it basically has to be, because it's like one of the most complicated things to master. Like, it's a high-end sport, so professionals, 90% of traders lose their money, and it's like something that's almost impossible for a lot of people to master, to get to a point, because as soon as you say, oh, this is working, the market tells you like, oh, that shit ain't working. Like, yeah, they'll give you some money, right? Oh, you know, oh, this is what is going to work. And then you're like, oh, that's not going to work. Yeah, I just give you a little bit of money. They like, actually, so what exactly do the 1% do that make a lot of money? Since everybody else is losing money, right? And all these YouTubers out there are everywhere like, hey, social media money is different, like, because when you have a lot of following, you're basically successful, but that doesn't mean you're successful in trading. Especially most of these traders, they're successful because of their following, and they're selling their courses and whatever they have going on, which is great, like, basically, which is great. But if you are looking to make money, you want to be learning from someone who actually knows how to make money, who has been through the trenches and, you know, lost. They are not just teaching what has been taught, because the information that's freely out there, there's something wrong with it. I discovered a long time ago, right? Let's take, for example, stop losses. So after I developed a trading strategy a while back, I started learning about stop losses, and I realized that every time I go into a trade, I make an excellent, prediction. It goes hit my stop loss and goes in the direction. It goes hit every time. It happened like days on end, right? Eventually, of course, I still won a trade, but I was like, that's not good. Like, it affected my whole, plan, my plan for the money I was supposed to make in that particular period. So I was like, what's the problem? Maybe I need a higher stop loss, but like, that was too risky. The higher the stop loss, I mean, if it goes and hit that, the more loss I'm taking on my account. So I dared to ask the question, could it be possibly that I do not need a stop loss? No, that's a question the whole trading economy don't want to hear, right? So I did to add a research. There was very few people who were talking about not using the stop loss, and I realized they were renowned traders. Like, we're talking about, apart from a few YouTube guys, which of course I wouldn't take advice from, because I don't know what they're doing. But also renowned traders, right? I've been trading for God knows how long, right? And we're like, they don't use much of stop loss. Even though they're going to use it, they're going to use a very wide stop loss, because the market needs, like, if you know what you're doing, right? Your prediction comes out. We're not saying your prediction is 100%, but saying your prediction comes out, you have an opportunity to actually allow that prediction to work out for you without a stop loss. Like, for real, it was mind blowing. I was like, this is the answer to what I was looking for. All I need to do is not trade every single day, right? Oh, a day trader, etc. No, right? It's cool to be a day trader and all that. I still consider myself a day trader, not really serious, because if I see money, I take it on that day. Do you understand? If I see money, I'm not going to say I'm waiting weeks just because I'm a so-called swing traders. We get caught up in labels, and this is where the trading gets mixed up and wrong. I don't believe that there are day traders and swing traders. We take money when we see money. If the money is not complete, it's going to take a couple of days to get there, then we wait. According to our prediction, okay, look, I feel, according to my analysis and all that, and my gut from trading for years, right? I can say this market is still going forward, so I'm a little bit big. Go to bed, wake up tomorrow, check on it. Before you know, we're down 3-4 days. Before you know, we're down the weekend. Say, oh yeah, swing trader. No, if the market moves really fast on that day, according to the trade, why not? It hits my profit target, whatever amount I want to make, 10%, 20%, I'm out. Okay, it doesn't mean that I want to be a swing trader or I want to be a day trader and there's this competition. Look, I hate labels. I hate, when people are on one side, I'm making an argument, who on this other side, who makes more money, who is more correct, who is more accurate. I think it doesn't make sense. I think we need to be worried about how to secure this profit so that we are not among the 90 or 95 or 99% of people losing money on a daily basis in trading. Realistically. So I discovered that not putting a stop loss allowed my trade to bounce off even when there are news spikes, right? You see a new spike, I ain't dead, right? Why people are talking, oh, the banks or the market makers are hunting for your stop loss, I ain't dead. If they are hunting for your stop loss, why do you have it? All right? Maybe you need to check your trading system. If your trading system requires the stop loss, get what I'm saying? I'm saying if your trading system, like the system I developed, does not require one. So that means, right, the system needs to work for you according to. So if you have a system that doesn't really work for you, why do you have it? Why aren't you seeking better information? Why aren't you trying to learn? And from these few individuals, I got to understand what a stop loss is. You ask a trader, what happened in that trade? You say he hit my stop loss. You get what I'm saying? He hits my stop loss. And it's okay. Some of you, like, if you have no stop loss, you blow your account. Exactly. You blow your account simply because, one, you don't even know how to make market analysis. You don't know where the market was going. You did not wait patiently for the market to tell you where it was going, right? And the pullback, you're talking about, the market reversed. So basically it's minor pullback, right? Minor pullback, 100 pips pull back away, 200 pips pull back away, and it's going to come back and move on to your direction according to your prediction, which has happened to me countless times. Because if the market is in a particular direction, it will continue going in that particular direction. It doesn't matter what you do. You cannot fail, right? And of course, does the market change direction at the end of the day? Of course. This is where multiple time frame analysis comes into play, right? And when it's uncertain where the market is going, you will know according to your strategy. Oh, the market is uncertain. I don't know where the market is going. It's going to tell you clearly with your analysis. And so you do not trade. You're not in looking for 2 pips, 3 pips, 10 pips, whatever the F it is that you guys do. You wait. Patience. And then the market dives in a particular direction. You confirm it, not in time frame. The market is in this direction. You go in, there's a pullback. Oh, the market makers, the banks, whoever, they are hunting for your stop loss. I got no stop loss. When they are done, the market continues to go in my direction. But you see that move, let's say on the 1 hour time frame, that pullback on the 1 hour time, on the 1 minute, to you, it looks like a market changing direction because you're trading the 1 minute. You get what I'm saying? And so nothing is bad or good in the market. That's what I'm gonna cap this up with. Nothing is bad or good in the market. Trading in 1 minute, trading in 1 hour, trading swing, trading day, trading. But you must understand that system and how it works so that it does not limit you in any way. And when I mean limit you, it does not stop you from making consistent profit, and it does not stop you from, blowing your account, basically. Ever since I discovered my strategy, I've never blown my account. No stop loss anywhere to be found. My trading has been fantastic, making profits consistently. And I think that's what you need to discover for yourself. Let's go.